Welcome to Lavani Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook quite similar to this piri piri chicken butterfly, and some people even say spatchcock. So it's very simple way to cook and it takes some time. However, I will show you a very easy way to use the ingredients and cook this lovely chicken. No rosemary or thyme on today's cooking. Taking some coriander, 2 tablespoons of salt, peppercorn, 1.5 tablespoon of dry chili powder. I will be taking 1 spoon of clear honey and 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar. To prepare our chicken, we require this sort of pot or pan. You can use any kind of oven pan, and also a full chicken. I'm adding all the ingredients into the chicken. If you like a little bit of sweetness, you can also add another spoon of honey into there. And I will also be adding some vinegar, about 2 tablespoons, not too much. So I'm mixing very well with all the ingredients. Needs to be very thorough, both at the top and at the bottom as well. Now I'm adding my coriander at the bottom of the chicken. If you can stand with the smell of rosemary or thyme, you can really use them for your piri piri chicken or butterfly chicken. But I don't really like the taste of it and the smell, so I don't use them. My chicken is quite marinated well. Now I'm going to add a touch of cooking oil. You do not really require, but I'm going to add this oil because they're really good for health. And what we need to do now at this point is putting this into our oven for 65 to 70 minutes in 180 degrees. And as you can see, our chicken has been cooked, piri piri butterfly chicken. It took some time, but it's really worth it. As you can see, it's lovely and smashing. So guys, thank you so much for your time with us, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also please click on the ring symbol, and that will give you a notification every time we upload any new videos, new cooking, new tips and tricks. So until the next one, have a good day.